Which Cr2032 battery is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, POWERWL High-Capacity Cr2032 Battery. First up is the POWERWL High-Capacity Cr2032 Battery Pack. Priced at just $5.26, this 12-pack caught my eye because of its impressive rating of 4.4 stars from over 18,700 reviews. If you want a reliable battery that won't let you down, this is worth a serious look. These batteries are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices, from your key fob to medical devices like glucometers. What really sets it apart is the power preserve technology, which locks in energy until you need it. This means you won't be left high and dry when you need your key fob to work. Plus, with an increased energy density by 10% and monomer capacity raised by 20%, you're getting long-lasting performance here. With over 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some users mention they've experienced shorter lifespans than expected. Here's the thing though, battery life can depend on how often you use your devices. If you rely heavily on your key fob or other gadgets, that's something to keep in mind, but for the average user, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that covers all the bases. Skip this one if you need ultra-long lasting power for daily heavy use, but for general use, it's a great value for money. Now, if the concerns about longevity bothered you, the next option has a stellar reputation for reliability. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Cr2032 Batteries. Next, let's talk about the Amazon Basics Cr2032 3V Lithium Coin Cell Batteries. At $9.99 for a pack of 10, it's a bit pricier than the last one, but it boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating from 184,800 reviews. If you want dependable power for your gadgets, this is definitely worth a serious look. They deliver consistent performance with a 225 mAh capacity, meaning they can handle the demands of devices like your key fob or remote control without a hitch. The fact that they're non-coated also means better performance over time without the risk of coating deterioration. Plus, they're super easy to identify because they're engraved with their model number, which is a small detail that makes life easier. However, a few people mentioned that they found the packaging hard to open. Here's the thing though, that extra measure of security might be annoying, but it's a small price to pay for ensuring your batteries stay protected until you're ready to use them. This is perfect for you if you value reliability and are looking for a well-reviewed option. Skip this one if you're after the cheapest batteries, but the value here is undeniable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to prioritize longevity. Product number 3, Duracell 2032 Lithium Battery 4-count. Now let's move on to the Duracell 2032 Lithium Battery. Priced at $4.39 for 4 batteries, it has an impressive 4.8-star rating from almost 100,000 reviews. If you want dependability and safety, this one's definitely worth your time. Duracell is a name we all recognize, and for good reason. They come with child safety features that prevent accidental ingestion, which is a huge plus for families. Plus, they're guaranteed for 10 years in storage, so you won't have to worry about them going bad before you use them. The bitter coating also discourages swallowing, which is another thoughtful touch. On the downside, some users reported they didn't last as long in high-drain devices. Here's the thing though, if you're using them in devices that don't draw much power, you'll likely find they perform excellently. For everyday use, they should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and brand reliability. Skip this one if you need super high performance in power-hungry devices, but for standard use, you can't go wrong here. Alright, if the performance concerns are making you nervous, let's check out a battery that performs well even in extreme conditions. Product number 4, Duracell 2032 Lithium Battery 2-count. Up next, we have another option from Duracell, this time the 2-count pack. At $3.29, it's affordable and also has a stellar 4.8-star rating from over 51,700 reviews. If you want something reliable without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect fit. Like its larger pack, this Duracell battery is built for dependability. The battery holds power for up to 10 years in storage, which means you can stock up without worry. It performs well in a variety of devices, including key fobs and glucose monitors, giving you flexibility. However, one common complaint is that some users found the packaging a bit hard to open. Honestly, I get it, but it's all about keeping your batteries secure until you need them. A little inconvenience is worth it for safety. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable battery that's easy on the wallet. Skip this one if you need larger quantities, but for occasional use, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for another reliable brand, the next product brings you performance in extreme conditions. Product number 5, Energizer 2032 batteries. Finally, let's look at the Energizer 2032 batteries. At $3.79 for a 2-pack, it has a solid 4.8-star rating from 27,300 reviews. If you need a battery that can handle tough conditions, you should definitely consider these. They're also compatible with key fobs and small electronics, so you're not limited in use. Plus, they hold power for up to 12 years, ensuring you won't be caught off guard when you need them. However, some users noted that the performance wasn't as great in very high-drain devices. Here's the thing though, for everyday applications they really excel. So if you're not pushing them to their limits, they'll serve you well. This is perfect for you if you need reliability in extreme conditions. Skip this one if you're using them for high-drain devices daily, but they represent good value for occasional use. Alright, to wrap it up, we've covered the POWEROWL for budget-friendly power, the Amazon Basics for reliability, and Duracell's options for safety and longevity. Finally, Energizer offers performance in extreme conditions. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.